Hello hustlers, are you ready to make some extra income without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm telling you about 10 side hustles you can start for under $10. And here's the best part, I'll break it all down for you in just under 10 minutes. Whether you're saving for something big or just looking to add a little cushion to your budget, these ideas are quick, affordable, and packed with potential. So let's not waste any more time. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it! Number 10, freelance writing. It's a low-cost side hustle that you can start with just a computer and internet connection. Begin by putting together a portfolio of sample articles, which you can write for free using free tools like Google Docs. Then pitch your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or directly to small businesses offering affordable rates to build your experience and reputation. Number 9, virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is a flexible and in-demand side hustle where you can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients all from the comfort of your home. Whether it's managing emails, scheduling, social media, or even data entry, businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for reliable virtual assistants to help them stay organized and productive. Plus, you can start with a laptop, internet connection, and basic skills, making this an easy and affordable hustle to jump into. You can get this type of work from FlexJobs and RemoteJobs.io. Number 8, online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great side hustle if you're knowledgeable in subjects like math, science, or languages. You can help students of all ages understand tricky concepts, prepare for tests, or improve their skills, all while working from home and setting your own schedule. While platforms like Zoom or tutoring websites such as Preply and Tutor.com, it's easy to connect with students and you don't need much to get started. Just your expertise, a reliable internet connection, and a passion for teaching. Number 7, house sitting or pet sitting. House sitting or pet sitting is an easy and enjoyable side hustle where you can get paid to care for people's homes or furry friends while they're away. Whether it's watering plants, keeping the house secure, or giving pets some love and attention, this gig often comes with flexible hours and minimum effort. Plus, it's a great way to earn some extra cash, especially if you love animals or enjoy a change of scenery. If you're especially good with pets, you should try becoming a sitter on Rover. And if you enjoy traveling, you can go international with your house sitting at Workaway. Number 6, rent out a spare room. Renting out a spare room on platforms like Airbnb or Verbal is an easy way to turn extra space into extra cash. Whether it's for short-term travelers or weekend guests, you can earn money by offering a cozy and welcoming spot with just a little effort to clean up and create a nice vibe. Your unused room can start paying for itself, perfect for a low-maintenance side hustle. Number 5, start a blog. Starting a blog is a fun and creative side hustle where you can share your passions, whether it's food, travel, or finance, and turn them into an income stream through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. To get started, you'll need a domain name, and that's where today's sponsor, Pork Bun, comes in. Are you still using GoDaddy? Check out Pork Bun instead. Pork Bun offers more than 500 domain extensions, covered everything from .com and .pro to .dev and .xyz. Pork Bun was named the #1 domain registrar by USA Today for 2023 and 2024, offering hundreds of domain extensions at the lowest prices. Plus, every domain comes with free features like SSL certificates, WHOIS privacy, and web hosting trials. Because why pay for what should be free? Now, if you're ready to build your blog, click the link in my description and use my code to get $1 off your next domain name. Number 4, Print on demand. Print on demand is a creative side hustle where you can design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and sell them without worrying about inventory. Platforms like Printify or Gelato handle the printing and shipping for you. You just bring the designs. It's a great way to turn your creativity into cash. And the best part, you only pay when you make a sale. So it's super low risk with zero startup costs to get started. Number 3, sell used items. Selling used items is an easy side hustle where you can turn bargain finds into quick cash. Grab free or low-cost items like clothes, books, or electronics. Think thrift stores, garage sales, or online freebies, and resell them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. It's low risk, super affordable to start, and a great way to declutter or make money flipping items for a profit. Number 2, transcription and translation. Transcription and translation are simple side hustles where you can make money by turning audio or video files into text or translating documents from one language to another. If you've got great listening skills, fast typing, or fluency in multiple languages, this gig is perfect for you. With tons of online platforms offering freelance gigs, you can work from anywhere and on your own schedule, making it a super flexible way to earn extra cash. Working on Rev is a fun and flexible way to make money by transcribing audio or capturing videos. Gingo is a great way to make money using your language skills by translating text in multiple languages. And number 1, drum roll. Okay. Content creation. Content creating is a fun and flexible side hustle where you share your skills, your ideas, your experiences through videos, photos, or social media posts. Whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even podcasts, you can build an audience and monetize through sponsorships, ads, or affiliate links. If you're passionate about a topic and love connecting with the people, this hustle lets you get creative while turning your content into cash. A lot of these side hustles benefit so well from you having your own website, like blogging and freelancing. And I know where you can get one for under $10. Sign up for Pork Bun with my link to get $1 off your next desired domain name. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with any of these under $10 side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.